I'm here in Robin's Nest Designs at the TNA show, and I found these canvases that I just love. I mean, look how gorgeous these are. I'll give you information about where to find them and where to get them. But I just want to point out a couple places, if you get these wonderful canvases, where you can use Krynic. Like in the water, right here, would be perfect. You could even put glow-in-the-dark filament up in the sky up here. The 052F color is real pale, so you won't even notice it, like when you're looking at it, but when the lights go out, it'll glow. So I would put a few strands of blending filament 052F in there to make it glow. Something like this, it has a lot of black, so you might want to make parts of it stand out. Use Krynic color 005. It's a metallic black, it's subtle, but maybe like use it for the birds and it'll make the birds stand out. And here, maybe use it for this part or the trees, and that'll make that stand out. So use the black metallic in one area and then a black, silk or something else in the other area, and it'll be really stunning. Pick the spot that you want to stand out, and it'll look really gorgeous. So just a couple of ideas, but these are really pretty canvases from Robin's Nest. Isn't that pretty?